Hi, it's Nicole again. Today we're gonna unbox these special items wrapped in these two beautiful green paper bags. Yes, I definitely wish to have something in this green packaging, especially for this season. So having this two with me now really makes me so happy. It really made my holidays. Let's start with the smaller one. So in this paper bag, we have a small pouch. So here it says Gucci, and inside it has a card, and of course the actual item, that is a lipstick. So this is actually I believe it's a satin lipstick in Moira Sienna. So if you open, it's just like this. It is in this beautiful gold packaging, and here it says Gucci, and when we open, it's like this. So yeah, it's even on the lipstick itself, it's there's an engraved Gucci somewhere. So yeah, it's really nice, and I think the shade is really nice as well. Even the SA said that this is a recommended everyday lipstick, especially for office girls or professionals. So I'm really excited to use this one. And now we can move on to this paper bag, which has this box. So nice, right? And it actually has this card thing here, but it's not the authenticity card. It's actually where they put the receipt and the SA's card. So here's the box again. It's so nice, right? And obviously this is not how they tied it. It was tied more beautifully. I already opened it and I couldn't figure out how to tie it the same way they did, so this should be fine. Oh, this is actually the dedication card, so someone can write a message in there. And yeah, so inside this pouch, it's a very beautiful bag. So here it is. Yes, it is a small Gucci Marmont camera bag in the new color brown. So when I first saw it in the website, I was thinking it's such an interesting color. I think it's gonna look so beautiful because it will have, because of the color brown, it will have like the vintage feel to it, and then it also looks very classy and quite versatile because you can use it with a lot of outfits. So when I finally saw it in person, it did not disappoint. It was as beautiful as I expected it to be. This shade of brown is so beautiful. It looks so luxe, or yeah, it looks so classy. It looks so vintage. I think it will age well. So yeah, I really love this one. This color is a new seasonal color for the Marmont line, and actually I noticed that even the details are different. For example, this diagonal lines pattern, the previous Marmont bags don't have this pattern. I think it's more of like the chevron ones or something similar. Then even the leather is quite different. It's not as smooth and as soft as the previous Marmont. So this one has like the distressed leather feel to it, but not so much, not like the Balenciaga ones. This small size is the largest for Gucci Marmont camera bags. So they have a smaller one which they call the mini, and it's about like 2/3 of this bag. So that one is, I think it's a decent size. You can put your essentials like maybe 2 to 3 items, your phone, card holders, some tissue, or small alcohol. Yeah, it's quite okay, but I still prefer, or I still prefer this one, the small size, because on other occasions, like especially when you travel, I think this will be more useful and more convenient to use. So it holds quite a lot. So inside it's here. It has the, I'm not sure of the material, what the material is called, but the lining is pretty soft, and it feels luxe actually. And then it has the Gucci tag here, and a pocket where you can put some essentials for easy access. And of course, it comes with the care cards and this control card. So talking about the lining again, it's in a beautiful color peach. I just think that it will get dirty easily, so I would recommend using another pouch or a travel or bag organizer when you use this, so that your pens or your alcohol, lotion, hand sanitizer will not leave marks here. So yeah, this is the Gucci Marmont camera bag in brown. If you have other questions about this bag, just let me know in the comment section and let's try to answer.